sanu adwuma na woba na wo be sha ase kura ne de ukoto factory a wani antan bio mi to yi nuanom mrante ni maba no fo se omunya adwuma ni ho ma adwuma ni ho no mo starting form networks because na kufu ado na owo ho no wayedi na ohwe mo adwuma ni ho ko hye ni officer na osro so mo de mu nim ni eba na mu nim ni eba nka mo be hye dade eche. The year of return or rule out 2019 na amanoni for ball my Ghana mrante ni mabawa ya wo mo ha na ye de omo ba ya betete omo America, Canada, Europe no mo ko school esua de na omo ba ye omo ba back and they came to tell us vini vidi vc we went, we saw, we captured yakwakuhu opportunities ewo ye mu binu kura de omo sere en se na mo de mo sore am se adwuma ni mu kuru mu ma ba na adwuma o ye ko na enye covid na e ba ye no a komo ba bibi nyuma obi hu abrante te se me no abi adwuma no afa nipa 25 mo de punch card time card punch card o de card in she na time a wo punch ye se wa ba adwuma na print nti na wotwe mienu no du ni etu aka na wotwe no du no etu aka e wo system ni mu ntimi nwia no no so nwia obetew tax pension plan bibia o yare a call sick if it is serious get a doctor's report 3 days na o ma adwuma ya yiwadi but with the doctor's report 3 days na o ma adwuma ya and the doctor's report is there ho to wa oba na wa be ye adwuma omo de North American Mission Labor Commission practices na be ye adwuma time card ebo dan no ho wura mu anu aponche se o she adwuma so 7 o'clock by 6 o'clock no we fifie ahwehwe car o de be kwa akudu adwuma mu so the helicopter na be adwuma so the train na bebo so the uber na bebo so the taxi so the wa car sanso so be nante na beba adwuma mu hu so the cycle na beba emfa no ho on de ne say 7 o'clock to 4:30 wa be ye adwuma 7 ne boy na ben na bom pu start work na supervisor call run e say wo ye adwuma na wo twi mi ni du pepepa wo be call bank na sika ni da wa account na wo de abobra na se ma anya ne sa na se covid yi twem na mrante ni mabawa ne ba no mo bebie cottage industries no a money betan esanse na do dan kwakufu adon we created the enabling environment for the creation of the job so say we are saying ayewo mu aban no create job ma o fa adwuma ncha wo nsa o we created the enabling environment for you to create a job employ people to produce no one gen service tax or gen service tax any other taxes no they generate revenue no they are your money nti mo tena ho so adwuma ni wa year of return omo wa ha o masua de wa ha o mo si ahaye din na omo ba no omo bibi adwuma na omo fa mo asa na mo be adwuma on fa wo ne ma me wa adwuma mu on fa ne papa wa adwuma mu on fa ne nua wa adwuma be fa bontin so ni se ne be ya o ye bone a o be fire busunya ni uba na opeska opa obe ma opa o ma kokko ye adwuma and now go to the government go and get a loan from the bank and pay no ye adwuma minianom mun form networks even in your own room or home house you can be doing your own job with your laptop, with your phone. You set up the system, you are a supplier, you are making a living without job. Abruchiriha, this book, how to making a living without a job. Making a Living Without a Job by Barbara J. Winter from Amazon. Meto book we. Mmeranteɛ ne mmabaawa a wɔwɔ kurom ha. They are making a living without a job. We school now, so no, I'm not going to work for somebody to pay me. The kind of yellings are too much, the kind of shoutings are too much, the kind of no setting a computer. Or setting a computer. No, yeah, you from home. But some now what you mean, back on the account of next can you then I was setting up the program, make the supply. Omo driver omo de niema na ko no waye PayPal then I say for you pay the supply it is made and they are making money. Mama yensua bribi mrante ne baba wa e wo man Ghana yensua sanwe adwuma and start it. Kwe adwuma ye Jacob run all Laban encampment. So ye adwuma ma esoro ewia hye no sama anajo awo frost chichire no nanso anu ne hye ni nkran Israel for Jew for that is the meaning of hard work. That is the meaning of the hard work. And when it comes to job over North America, the meaning of job is acquisition of knowledge and skills, applying the knowledge and skills to solve a problem, and that is the act. And then the solving of the problem, you be paid, and that is the wealth. And then you make a responsible living. You know, form networks. Chinese ni ba ukrumo on say he looks around for opportunity. Ebia machine aye de do. Misika e wo no ho nyina no na loan kura no akoje no akoto. Okoto a ose oye landscaping. When you be ba won so no ato track, no ato machines ni nyina obi hia nyina egum. No no afa nkrofo o man nim. No oye. Meanwhile Ghana for mrante ne maba so bitimi ayese adwuma bi. Na we nso no me fa sakwanyansan so sre omampani na adoda nkwa ekufu ado ne omampani abedi ekire Alhaji Dr. Mahmood Bawumia yesremu kwen bi so no mrante ni baba wa no so kan o mka se adwuma ni o man ni mu no eye no kura in sense se wona kosua sa no adwuma wona kosua ade sika kakra babo mu chidom no ma bio mu nyuma krapo eden okọ banka equity uni equity. So you go back home. Aha. Meet me ako bank. Ako prove say makosua de, makosua broadcast, television, videography. Me here sika dey set up my studio. They will give me the money and they will give me an officer to make sure money and they will give me an officer to make sure my production will bring money. Then they set up a program for me to pay the loan gradually. Me to your loan be we. Enye adwuma na me it the banks should consider rolling out the program where they will give loans to young and up and coming industrious energetic youth and guide them how to invest in creation of industry. Ni say ye be a banker, ni a fan crofo, ni a mom quota. A whole day, so 2,000 cedis from Dwedifo market. It's a kind of extortion or it's a kind of stealing for me. The money is sitting in the bank. You invest it and then you make profit. Masama meti ye yakra ni se Ghana ni abrante pa